There's an enormous amount of waste in healthcare. We use huge amounts of products. We use a lot of energy. We use a lot of water. And we also generate a lot of toxic waste. There were many things we could do as a hospital to be more environmentally responsible. We formed a grassroots committee in the fall of 2007.
Dr. Amy Collins came and started talking to me about recycling in the kitchen and throughout the hospital.
We introduced it slowly, certain focuses, one at a time.
They say you have to start with the low-hanging fruit, and for us the low-hanging fruit was really to start a comprehensive recycling program. We are currently recycling cardboard,
Plastics 1 through 7,
metal, glass,
Cans,
paper,
batteries,
bottles,
cooking oil, pallets, I could go on. We're trying to recycle just about everything that is potentially recyclable.
I saw that there is a lot of interest from the side of our employees and that there was a commitment for sustainability and elimination of waste.
Peter, you guys want to do a quick update on Go Green?
Our administration has been extremely supportive.
I fully believe that being a sustainable organization, being one that's a good corporate citizen, is very important and crucial for the mission and vision of this hospital.
And once people started realizing the little things, it grew into more and more, and what else can we do, and what else can we recycle?
10 to 20% of the waste coming from a hospital is food waste.
When you look at composting, it really isn't about more work. It's just about making your work different. On the cafeteria side, we've decided to buy local produce because it's just good for the environment.
OR generates the largest amount of waste of any department in a hospital.
Everything's disposable for the most part, so every procedure that we do produces a full bag of trash. We now separate, so instead of opening items up and throwing it all into one trash can, we have multiple trash cans, so we open and just distribute into where it needs to go.
We're totally mercury-free. We believe this is a very big value. We use several materials, and the way we recycle them makes everybody very proud around this hospital.
This has given a lot of meaning to people's work. I see our housekeepers now really feel like they're part of something much bigger. And same with the food services people. They really feel like they have a very big role. People really, really wanted to do this.
The Green Initiative is a tool and a strategy that can greatly enhance the engagement of staff and medical staff, the engagement of patients, and eventually the performance of their hospital.
It's brought departments together that would not normally work together. At our meetings, it's not unusual to have someone from environmental services, food services, physician services, the administration, all sitting at the table to accomplish the same goal.
It's really neat how all these different areas are truly connected and how each thing we do in our own departments affects all the other departments and how we all can work together.
The Green Initiative has the advantage of the fact that you can take it home. You can get your family involved, the kids involved, and therefore the impact of our initiatives is not restricted to the boundaries of the hospital. It reaches out into the communities we serve and in the houses of our employees.
This has been a revelation. I have a son and 2 daughters, all teenagers. It's been a family thing. I joined the cult, and I love it.
It is now part of the hospital culture. There is participation across the board.
It helped change a lot. People look at it from the sustainability end, people look at it from the cost savings, people look at it from the environmental end. When you start putting all of those pieces together, it's a no-brainer. It has to happen.
You cannot afford not to get involved in going green.
I think everyone's thinking has changed, but we've barely scratched the surface, and we have years more of plans to go. A lot more things we want to accomplish. You can't have a healthy patient without a healthy environment.